Hello everyone, today we introduce our Blue 9 velcro discs to you. This one really with good performance on steel and INOX. We can produce in 4.5, 5, 6, 7 and 9 inch with or without the holes. This one with special production formula and super durable performance, also with faster removing stock ability. You can see the abrasives, very nice sharpness. Also the backing. Okay, now we do some testing. This is a steel with heavy rust. Normally we should using flap discs to do this work, but today we're using our blue velcro discs to do this. Okay. You can see it says grinding and finishing in one step. It's remove the rust and also removing the points and the surface. You can see really smooth and shiny. Now we're checking the surface. You can see even after works, the grids also keep excellent condition and no drop off and no broke, the backing no broke. So this Blue 9 really suitable for steel and INOX surface polishing grinding application. Also it's very competitive price. Choose Blueshark, choose safety. We will always try our best to supply best quality abrasive discs to you. This is our Blue 9 velcro discs for steel and INOX.